Hello guys, and welcome back to another Kushti crypto video. It's an incredibly exciting week for everyone in the crypto space, especially if you're someone that brought some cryptocurrencies down at the lows, especially Bitcoin, Litecoin and Binance. But we'll get into that in a minute. If you're not following me on Twitter, then come and follow me on Twitter. Come on. I'm always reposting funny stuff, keeping you in the loop about different projects, letting you know different things going on. Like this is about Brexit and how a no-deal Brexit is going to help the very few rich, wealthy no-Brexiteers. Charts always being reposted. I'm putting out my thoughts and stuff like that. So come follow me on Twitter. It's essential to keep up to date with what is going on in the crypto space. Also, of course, if you're not subscribed to me, then subscribe to me. And let me just play this quick intro and we'll be coming back with just a quick video today.
Don't worry, you just relax. Everything's gonna be cushy. Oh, it'll be cushy.
As you can see, Bitcoin's sitting at $8,743, which is incredible. If you think how long it took to come down from this level down to the lows that we had and how quickly it's been wiped out, it's incredible. I'm expecting, or I am someone that is hoping for a pullback here so that we can see altcoins run up in their Satoshi's Bitcoin value. Now, as someone who has endured the highs, I've been in this space since May 16. So as someone that has endured these amazing highs and this crazy bear market, I've kind of seen what happens. And I don't expect this, although it could happen. Could be wrong. I could be wrong, but I don't expect this to pump another 50% all the way up to 16,000. Now that would be, that would be really historic stuff. And if you're in this space to see that happen, then, well done to you, because it will go down in history as the biggest, change in wealth the world has ever seen, which is happening anyway. Bitcoin is the best performing asset of 2019 by a mile so far. But now, because we are seeing this explosive movement in Bitcoin, we are seeing alts really lose and struggle with their Bitcoin pairing and their Bitcoin price. If we look at ADA and Bitcoin, Cardano, which a lot of people are holding recently because the anticipated Shelly update, you can see here since Bitcoin has been pumping, it's just really lost that Satoshi value. Ignore all these stupid lines, because you know how it gets with technical. I wouldn't even call it technical analysis. But as you can see, we've had a nice bounce down here, and now if Bitcoin was to cool off, I would expect to see ADA quickly bounce. I think if we were to lose like, I don't know, a 10% candle in Satoshi value, then hopefully the alts will have a pump. Now the reason why I say this is because we look at Cardano on the USD chart, it's still in a clear uptrend. So look at the difference here between Cardano on a USD pairing and Cardano on the Bitcoin pairing. As you can see, stark differences because of Bitcoin has been moving very quickly. Now, as I said, if you are waiting for Bitcoin to cool off a bit, this looks good to me. This looks like if Cardano was to break this resistance here, then we're kind of we'll be entering kind of price discovery, apart from this big fat red candle from when it launched on Kraken. But if we look here on Bittrex as well, we've got a similar thing going on. With price discovery, we'll probably hit up to just at nearly 11 cents, and then we should be in price discovery for Cardano. And when we do hit price discovery, it's not uncommon to do more than 30% in a candle. Who knows how quickly it could go, especially if the testnet goes well with Cardano, we could really see an explosion. Another coin that I'm eyeing up, and a coin that I've been holding for a long time, I did mean to sell it, but unfortunately I left my Komodo in my Enigma wallet, and I was going to sell it up here, and it took too long to get out of the Enigma wallet. It really annoyed me. To be honest, I should have sold here, but I couldn't stomach losing that percentage drop from there to there, so I decided, fuck it, I'm just going to hold it, see what happens, and it just fucking shat all over my face. So as you can see here, Bitcoin pairing for Komodo looks similar to Cardano. It's really retraced back down to pre-pump levels from down here. But if we were to look at Komodo on a USD chart, you can see that this is really pushing the resistance here. If we manage to pop and then get up to the next resistance, real resistance level, that's 54%. Now I can't see Bitcoin doing 54% before Komodo does 54%. I can't see that happening. It would have to be a huge influx in money. Also, these altcoins, they're easier to quickly double in price or go up in price because of the volume needed isn't really that much. See here, it's only 1.2 million, or let's just say 1.5 million going through it. So if we were to have a day like this with 16 million, it's a quick pump, and the price can quickly change. I reckon I do expect Komodo to hit these levels, especially with their mobile decks coming out. It could be a quick flip to get some more Satoshis. That's what it's all about, stacking sats. Litecoin has also been doing absolutely amazing recently. This is Litecoin on the USD pair, and we're hitting that resistance. And I do keep saying I think Litecoin is paving the way for what Bitcoin will do. Now, I don't know if Litecoin will push through this resistance level with the halvening coming up in August, which is only a few months away. I mean, I would say we're probably going to be hitting new all-time highs for Litecoin in the next month. It's got to be next month or so, which is great for Litecoin as well because it's outperforming Bitcoin. If you see here, obviously it did cool off for a bit, but now it looks like we're kicking off again, and the Litecoin Bitcoin pairing could be reaching all-time highs in the next month as well, so it could be worth picking up some Litecoin. A lot of shit coins this is one that I've been holding for a long time. Not sure what to do with it, but volume is picking up down here. It could have a potential run. They've kind of, PNDX have been screwing around with their recent their recent token swap. I'm not sure what's going to happen with that. It'll be interesting. Pay, keeping hold of that because I like the card. I want the card to hurry up and get to me. And yeah, just eyeing up loads of different altcoins at the moment, but at the same time you do need to be wary. If Bitcoin just carries on pumping, then I mean, what's the point in buying these coins? You're just going to lose stats. XLM, another one which has got potential to run up. They've got a lot of things coming up, but I just don't know if it's going to outperform Bitcoin. It's scary. With all that being said, this is the dollar chart for XLM. To be fair, it looks like it could quickly pump, and you always got to check, do you think it's going to pump? So do I think Bitcoin is going to do 24% before XLM could do this 24% and hit resistance? I don't think it will. I don't think Bitcoin will do another 24% anytime in the near future, but you never know. I just want Bitcoin to cool off so we can get some alt pumps. Because when altcoin season comes, if you've been through one altcoin season, it's just absolutely nonsense. Sometimes it just doesn't make sense. It's obviously manipulated. Big whales want to make more sats, so people buy into them at the wrong time. I mean, Matic, if you look at Matic recently, that has been just absolutely crazy. Here it is, since the IEO came out on Binance. This thing is just times 7 in price. You put one Bitcoin in down here, I'm pretty sure it's 700%. Yeah, over 700%. So absolutely incredible stuff. Be interesting to see what Harmony 1 did. If you did watch this video all the way to the end, I appreciate it. I am back down in France now. I need to set up my camera and everything. That's why I just did a quick video like this, just talking about stuff. And yeah, hopefully not too much of a shit video for you. Goodbye.